Today we got a video from Dr. Cops, and the title of the video is Routine Traffic Stop Uncovers a Mysterious Arrest Warrant.
Sorry for the wait, I was trying to get over the radio. The reason for the stop, your plate's suspended.
They're suspended?
Yeah, suspended.
I didn't know they were suspended. I know they're going to expire.
Expired? I see they're expired. The thing I was focused on is they're suspended. It's called a mandatory insurance violation. Do you know what that is?
No.
Okay, so basically what happens is I'll still need to see your license and proof of insurance, so go ahead and look for that while I explain this to you. So what happens is the Secretary of State sends a letter to your residence asking for proof of insurance, and if you don't respond to it, they'll suspend you. Oh, perfect. So if the Secretary of State sends out the letter, you might have insurance, but if you don't respond to the letter with the insurance, then the plate gets suspended.
And they said they get my insurance on file, so I'm not sure why.
Come on, Jack Henry. Come on, man. You requested this footage, man. This footage better be good, man. This is the first time I'm reacting to your stuff, man. This footage better be good, man. It better be good, because so far I could barely hear what's going on, man. I could barely hear it. All right? But we gonna let it rock. Come on, man.
Okay, so that insurance expired on the 23rd of December. Yeah, check the email. While you do that, I'm going to go back to the car. If you find it, just wave your arm out the window and I'll come back up, okay?
She don't even notice that he there.
Yeah, it's going to be Route 30 in Windy Hill. So I haven't told her yet. I'm just going to have her step to the front of the squad. She has a valid FOID card, so maybe. All right, if you could step out, I'm going to talk to you at the back of your car, okay?
Okay, yeah, and she's about to send me new insurance.
Okay. Just watch your step here.
I need to get step back over there, okay?
All right, so you have a warrant out for your arrest. So you can turn, yep, you do. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
So it's
Grab this real quick so it doesn't break, okay?
so it's for failure to appear on a traffic ticket. And you're driving while you're suspended, okay? So this officer.
I have to call to get my kids.
No, I got you. We're gonna get you back to the PD. Are those cuffs good enough for you? Not too tight? All right, I'm gonna double lock them. All right, this officer's gonna search you. That's all. I appreciate it.
So now I gotta get my car out of.
Yeah, so I promise I'm gonna explain all that stuff to you. All right, you good in there?
No.
Not hurt, I mean? Thank you.
God dang, the tank on E. God, that thing, look at this thing. That thing is beyond E, man.
phone was on the hood of the squad car.
Oh, that's where she put it. Okay. Okay, you're being cool with me, so I'm gonna be cool with you. Okay. I'm gonna. Can I answer this for you? Okay. She just wants her purse. Oh, I'll get you the keys. Yeah, she's got a couple of cards in there. All right, your purse is right here. Sorry, I was just trying not to get hit.
I was just saying, why haven't the warrant been popped up? I got pulled over maybe like a week. You know, he just pulled me over for the fake being suspended. I mean, not suspended.
See, you're talking about this completely wrong. Why did the warrant just pop up? Or why didn't it just pop? Why didn't you go to your court appearance? How about that? Why didn't you go to court? Because this is something simple. Traffic ticket, whatever it was. Why you ain't go to court? Not why did the warrant, I just got pulled over the other. Well, it sounds like you getting pulled over a whole lot. So whatever you doing, don't do it. Okay?
LCC Frankfurt 302. I'm 23 at the PD. LCC Frankfurt 302, 43, ending mileage is 69085. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. This ain't looking good, man. What the heck is going on here, man? Dr. Cops, come on, man. 32,000 views. All right. Oh, you got the buckle off yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see what the comments talking about.
Get the cuts off, and then I'll have you have a seat on the bench, okay? Just go ahead and put this hand on your head once I get it off.
Huh?
Just go ahead and put this hand on your head once I get this cuff off. There you go. This way. All right. Are you right-handed or left-handed? Right. Okay. I'll cuff your left hand. I'm just going to scooch this jacket up so I don't pinch your wrist, okay? There you go. I'm going to grab her phone. She has 2 kids. She's got to make some arrangements. Yeah, it's no bond. No bond, yeah.
I gotta read these comments, man. This woman is doing this correctly. I wish more people would be like her. I don't understand how many people don't know how to pull over. What the hell? That's a random comment. That's just a hate comment. For what? She did pull over. What are you talking? Oh, because she pulled over to the left. Oh, okay. I get it. At least this young woman cooperated. She seems decent. No drama is great. This was exactly 1 year ago, dude. You know, people get so upset because the footage comes out, whatever, a year ago, or it's from a year ago, whatever the case may be. Just kick back and enjoy the entertainment. If it's something that's not on YouTube, I mean, people go through trouble to get this footage. There's always people, this is old, this is that. Well, you go get some new footage for YouTube then. That's what you do. This is how it's done. I like videos where the perps say things like, you're doing too much, you're doing the most. Yeah, that's great for entertainment, but what's the reasoning? Hey, he said, this guy said, what's the reasoning behind partially blurring the FOIA request but still making it readable? That's so facts. Like, that was the first thing that I noticed. I'm like, come on, Jack. What are you doing? Like, Jack, come on, man. Come on, man. It's a catch-22, man. You know, it's actually a good video because you can see the proper way to conduct yourself, but it's a bad video because this is 12 minutes long. This video doesn't need to be 12 minutes. You know, like, this video could have easily been cut down to 8 minutes. You know, I just feel like there was a lot of filler. Nothing ain't really happened, which, you know, whatever. But sometimes you're not going to get that stuff. But if you know it's a boring video, why would you make it so long? Like, oh, you needed, you know, if you're trying to get the ads or whatever up in there or whatever, 8 minutes, man. That's all you need. Dr. Cops, 8 minutes, man. At the 8 minute mark, the ads will go in between the videos and all of that stuff. All right, there's your tip, man. We gonna give you one more shout. We gonna react to something else by you guys. You know what I'm saying? Maybe this was just a hiccup or whatever the case may be. So we gonna give you another try, Jack. All right. Anyways, the cops, they did a great job. The bystander, or not the bystander, the suspect, she did a great job. Whatever, they get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.